Right, I just want to preface this video by saying I was flying this plane here, this Hawk Hotspur little model, and I put a new motor in the front, so it was on test. And a Warbird flew over, a P-40 Warhawk, and I was wowed by the thing and found out that Muskogee Airport have actually been redoing that engine. They've been rebuilding it, and the engine was on test. So in effect, both planes were in the air with their engines on test. Anyway, we went down there yesterday to have a look. Alright, we're on our way to Davisfield Airport. Apparently there's a P-40 Kitty Hawk there. Let's see if we can find it. Here we are at Davisfield. There's the Gate Guardian. This is great to be able to walk out.
Well, I mean, like Fargo Airport, there would be so much security on you if you were walking around.
Yeah, no doubt. And we can just walk straight up to this Warbird. I've just got to have a look at this too.
In the back corner.
Oh my god, what is it? It looks like a zero or something. Oh, can we go in? Shall I look at that after we've been over there? I will do. That is one fantastic looking airplane. This is how I was saying about the front. They've got the shark mouth on it and everything. Fake guns, the whole there. Unless the real gun's deactivated. Wow. It's got a static shock off the propeller. Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, look at how bent up these exhaust.
Yeah.
Right there.
Can you open? Right, okay.
Just grab hold of that.
Jump on.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to get up there.
Yeah, just with these jeans.
Let me take a picture of the inside of it.
Here you go, honey.
Can I step in?
I can't give you permission.
No, I'm not going to ask to start it up and have a fly of it. Yes, I saw this last night. I was flying a little Hawk Hotspur, little model, and I saw this go past and I'm like, you're kidding me? And I did some research online and found out. Have you actually done the repairs then, yourself?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, they
fantastic.
put a new motor on it.
A whole brand new one?
Well, it's overhauled, $80,000.
Wow. And I saw a picture of the front end completely off. And you had to do a lot to this one.
Yeah, the extra, we got a spare motor, it's in there in the box.
Oh yeah?
So, yeah, $80,000 to have that thing overhauled.
Wow.
And then they put a lot of time in on it, just put it all back together.
Sure.
Do you know who this tech field was? The
I do
original
not.
pilot? No.
I do not.
But he had 18 shoot downs.
Bob Watts is a guy, he's going to leave Friday in it. They use this for a reenactment of the Pearl Harbor bombing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's going to fly up Friday morning. I don't know where he's going. But yeah, if he'd be out here Friday morning, you'd probably see it leave.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And then you go down to this hangar down there and go inside, and there's you see that Kate sitting in there?
Is it actually a zero?
No.
Oh.
No, it's made up to look like a zero.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's one of the reconstruction, the Texans, is it, that was converted?
It was converted.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I think that. Thank you. Yes, it will do. It's just amazing to know that these two, you know, well, this one especially, is actually here.
Yeah. Here and that one's here. Just built all the time.
I know I saw the B-17. They flew over our house at about 300 feet, and it was just glorious. I mean, I'm English and I saluted it. You know.
Yeah. This is a pretty neat plane.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, they rebuilt the motor on the K. Cause matter of fact, Bob Watts was going to fly this on Friday.
Yeah.
He was flying it, got North Carolina or somewhere, and blew a jug off of it. They got an emergency landing. So they patched it up, got it back here, and then we put new jugs on it and everything.
Okay, let's watch this landing. Oh no, you're gonna go around. Okay, well Larry back there just informed us that this is a conversion. I think it's it used to be a Texan. And it does the recreation runs as though it's a Zero, Mitsubishi Zero. First of all, what happened to that one in the corner? Ooh, V-tail.
I bet you that's the one I saw and I was trying to describe to you.
Oh yeah, the V-tail one.
No, because it had two struts and a thing across the top.
Ah. Yeah, there we go. There's a Texan's roof. I'm going to find out more about this as well. I'll post this underneath information.
They have to fly with the casket.
I was going to say, that's vintage Muskogee stuff right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
I hope that's a dummy bomb being held together with duct tape.
Good point. What's happening there? Got a bit of overrun on the spray.
Oh, yeah.
A big circle underneath the wing too. This is so kind of these people to allow us to walk around. Hello, what's going on? Yeah, saw the shadow on the ground.
That's got a rear view mirror. Well, this one is a two-seater.
Yeah. Yeah, they did two lots of gauges.
Yep.
Just walk around the other side. Wow, some of this lighting in this shed is... I hope it comes out on the camera.
Yeah.
I think that plane's coming round again. I wonder if he's going to bother this time. He'll have to bother at some point, won't he?
Yeah.
Okay, and here we are from the wing. The instruments. With a very strange depiction there in the middle of the aircraft. Now this is funny. There's a picture on the side of the USS Batfish, which is a World War II submarine, and he's actually here in Muskogee as well. It's sort of like a dry dock thing. And strange to see a picture of it on the side of this plane.
The Batfish was located just off the shores of Russia.
Well, from here, standing on the wing, thanks for watching.